Dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. It's the question from inequality and which are very easy to be solved by us because we know quadratic theory and we know a square of the positive real number is a positive quantity or square of a real number is a positive quantity. We know this concept, so we would have to use that two concepts to solve this inequality and it would be becoming very easy for you. So the answer is in form of this intervals and I would have to get value of a, b, c, d over here. Okay, a, b, c, d are the values written over here. So very first and foremost thing, we have a cubic in numerator, that is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by x square minus 9x plus 20 to the power 1001 is given to you, multiplied by x square minus x plus 30, and this whole thing is what, less than or equal to 0. Now my dear students, let's see this quadratic. The a value of this quadratic is 1, which is greater than 0, and the d value of this quadratic is b square minus 1 the whole square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 30. That is 1 minus 120. That is minus 119, which is less than 0. So guys, this quadratic will always be positive, and multiplying by a positive quantity on both the sides of inequality will not be shifting the inequality. So I could kill this quadratic. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now let's talk about this quadratic. A value of this quadratic is 1, which is greater than 0, and the d value of this quadratic is b square minus 9 the square is 181. It will be 81 minus 4 into 20. That is 1 we are knowing. So d is greater than 0. So guys, this quadratic is still factorizable also. I could see it very easily. So let's rewrite the question like x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by x minus 4 into x minus 5, that will be becoming, my dear students, and its whole power is 1001 is given to you, that is less than or equal to 0. Now my dear students, x should not be equal to 4 comma 5, because that way it will become what, not defined quantity. And even one more thing, x minus 4 to the power 1000 multiplied by x minus 5 to the power 1000 will always be greater than 0, because square or the even power of a real number is always a positive quantity. So I would be going to rewrite it like x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 5 only. Hope you guys would have got my point. So much simplified. Now guys, it's a cubic in numerator, and factorization of cubic, I already told you would have to get the factor of minus 6, factors of minus 6. So which are the what all are the factors of minus 6? Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and plus or minus 6. So let's see if it is, let us suppose this is f of x, the polynomial. So f of one value, when I'll be computing, it will be becoming 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6, that is 0 we are knowing. Since f of 1 is 0, x minus 1 will be the factor of this polynomial. X minus 1 will be the factor of f of x. Now let's apply synthetic division this time. So when I'll be writing x minus 1 is the factor, so 1 can be written by me over here, and I'll be dividing using this one. What are the coefficients of polynomial we know, my dear students? So the coefficients of polynomial we know, 1 minus 6. 1 is the first coefficient, then minus 6 is the next coefficient, then 11 is the next coefficient, and minus 6 is the last coefficient. So very first time we would have to write 0 over here. Then we'll be getting what, 1 over here. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 we are knowing. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 we are knowing. Minus 5 multiplied by 1. Minus 5 multiplied by 1 is minus 5 we are knowing. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6 we are knowing. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6 we are knowing. So 0 as the remainder will be achieved by me. Guys, this is called what? Remainder. So upon dividing x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 by x minus 1 will be getting what? X square minus 5x plus 6. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now let's factorize it further. I can write x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 into x minus 3. So the numerator cubic can be written by me as x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So we can get the final value as x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 divided by x minus 4, x minus 5. Wow, such an awesome question. Will become what? Less than or equal to 0. Now you might be wondering, sir, what to do next to it? You would have to plot all the critical points on number line. So what all critical points have been achieved by you? 1 is achieved, 2 is achieved, 3 is achieved, 4 is achieved, and 5 is achieved. Now guys, such type of question, whenever it is given to you, alternate up and down will be coming, okay? So whenever I will be going to keep 6 in it, it will be positive, it will be positive, it will be positive, and it will be positive, and it will be positive. So right hand side is always positive whenever we have rational inequality, okay? You may remember this thing. So like this will be coming, my dear students, like this. Even you can satisfy it. If you want, no, you can satisfy it. Alternate plus minus sign will be coming. But we want what? Guys, negative we want. So we'll be getting minus infinity to 1 union 2 to 3 union 4 to 5. And guys, 4 to 5 should be open because I wrote it over here directly that x should not be 4 and x should not be 5. Now guys, the numerator thing should be made closed by me. So x can be equal to 1, so should be made closed over here. X should be equal to 2 and x can be equal to 2, so can be made closed by me. X can be equal to 3, so should be made closed by me. So what was the final answer given for you? It was given like minus infinity to 1. Let me write it again. Close and close is not looking fair to you. Close, close, close. Minus infinity to 1 union closed A to closed B union open C to open D. Hope you guys. So A is equal to what? 2. B is equal to what? 3. C is equal to what? 4. D is equal to what? 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 are the values of BCD. 2, 3, 4, 5 are the values of BCD. Now B plus C plus D is asked to use a 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 will be written by us. So 9 plus 2 is 11 and 11 plus 3 is 14. So option C should be marked for the first question over here. Now B minus A, 3 minus 2 it will be becoming divided by D minus C. So 5 minus 4 it will be becoming, that is 1 upon 1. So option A should be marked by us over here. Now ABCD is equal to what? 15k is given to you. So case they are asking. So 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 is equal to 15k is given to you. So this 15 will be getting cancelled with this 15 over here. So k will be becoming what? 4 to 8. So option B should be marked over here. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.